Hi everybody, welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Well, this is Microsoft Surface Duo. This is a dual-screen foldable Android-based device. This is a combination of phone and tablet. Today we talk about 5 positive things and 5 negative things about this phone. First of all, positive things about this phone. Number 1, this is first foldable phone from Microsoft, first Android phone from Microsoft. There are 2 different screens are kind of dual monitors, which gives a lot of space for screen. Number 2, this phone feels great to hold, it is slim and comfortable to carry in pocket. It is 10mm thick when it closes, 5mm thick when it opens. It looks slim, still thin matters to most people. Next one is number 3, book mode. You can read books, like turning pages, swipe pages from one screen to another. Compose mode. In Surface Duo you use compose mode to quickly respond to an email. Keyboard mode. You can type content on one screen and see result on other screen. Tent mode. Position Surface Duo's screen like a tent and watch video hands-free. For example, you can watch videos without holding the phone while having food. Number 4, built with glass on front and back, inside metal rails, fit. Overall folding finish of this phone is really good. Number 5, you can do 2 things at once on this phone, like, for example, you can watch videos on one screen, write notes on other screen. You can do multitask in Duo, like open 2 apps at a time. So those are positive things about Microsoft Surface Duo. Surface Duo is a good phone. There are a few things that needed to be upgraded. Hope we see them in future Duo series. Now let's check the negative things of this phone. First drawback of this phone is camera. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Duo camera is 11MP camera. Picture quality of this phone is not good. Main problem of this camera is, it is fitted on the screen at top. Every time you take picture, you have to flip the phone. In this process you will miss your shot. Move on to next one. Number 2, battery life. Battery is little low, 3577 mAh cells. It is okay, you can save battery life if you use phone on one screen, which is not always possible. Next one is number 3, bezels on this phone are big, which cover a lot of your screen space. Number 4, on this phone there is no headphone jack, no high refresh rate, no super fast wireless charger, no 5G. There's also no IP rating, expandable memory or stereo speakers on this phone. Speaker is not loud, which is not good if you are a music lover. Number 5, does the Microsoft Surface Duo have dual SIM capabilities? There is no dual SIM capabilities. On this phone, there is a single SIM slot, it's only for. Finally, let's talk about price of this phone. Price is $1,399. I think price is too high for this phone. Maybe they will reduce price in few months. Let's hope for good things to happen. So these are positive and negative things of Microsoft Surface Duo, so that's it for the day. Thank you for being a good viewer, please like and subscribe, best wishes and good fortune to all, see you on next video.